And if you wish me bad, I swear I'm back to Santa.
It's you again.
Yeah.
You skip me.
Yeah.
And again. Yeah, and you're gonna skip me again. Like, what is this ego like?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, but you're gonna skip me again.
No.
What is this on your face? Cream?
I have acne. You know,
Acne? Like, I have too, but
it's working.
it makes me by myself. Like, it makes me, you know?
I'm not shy. I mean, it's help for my face.
Okay, your choice. Like, how old are you, by the way? Sophia Kim?
I'm 25. How old are you?
Guess.
27.
Six.
Six? Yeah,
Six
I'm
dedi.
right.
Yes. I'm 26. Where are you from, by the way? Kazakhstan?
Yeah, you know this country.
Yeah, I know, because I'm from Turkey. We are both Turks.
I was in Turkey 2 months ago.
2 months ago.
3.
Why did you come here?
Yeah. What?
Why did you come here?
You mean for what?
Well, yeah, why did you come here? Like, what is your purpose? Like,
I'm sorry, my English so bad.
I am sorry. Why are you coming Turkey? For what?
For I have apartment there.
You have a boyfriend.
Apartment.
You have an apartment. Whole apartment. You have an
Yeah.
apartment.
What you mean?
You have an apartment. Whole building.
Apartment,
You own it.
Like home.
Like home. No, you have a... Okay. Okay, I
Yeah.
got you. Okay, it's okay. So, did you buy it? Or your parents bought it?
Yeah. My parents.
Your parents, okay. Okay. Then why did you go back to Kazakhstan?
Because I have work here.
What
My
type of work?
friends. What?
What's your work?
I'm graphic designer.
Oh, that's very cool. Graphic designer.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What about you?
I don't want to say this is very... I'm shying when I'm saying, so the people are judging me.
Why?
That's very nasty business, cuz that's why.
Just tell me.
I'm doing OnlyFans.
What?
OnlyFans.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You lying.
No, I'm not lying. You can type me on OnlyFans. If you pay me $3 per month, you can see my everywhere, you know?
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to improve my English.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing at OnlyFans?
You know what it is? Videos
Yes.
with partners,
Okay.
you know?
Okay. You don't look like that.
How would I look?
Like normal.
No. I'm normal. Like, what does that mean? I'm normal.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am normal. I am just doing OnlyFans. But I'm making good money, girl. Like, I'm making good money.
What type of videos?
I don't want to say like it's videos, like videos with the partners. Like,
Show me one. Show me one. That one. What's one?
tövbe estağfurullah.
What?
No. I cannot. No free.
Show me.
This
one
is
video.
always on. No. These are for my subscription. Like, this is for my fans.
Oh my gosh. One video.
Okay, let me show you. Okay, one video.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna see different things. Are you ready for it? Okay.
What's
She just
that?
love my call me love, leave me bother. And if my success they disturb you, go recover. If you no be money, no they call me, no disturbance. I'm alright, I'm alright. Check your time, check calendar. I'm alright, I'm alright. Check your time, check calendar.
Kamerada daha komik duruyor amına koyayım. Kamerada daha komik ya. Kamerada daha komik duruyor. Orası da zaten. Hola,
Hola,
¿cómo estás?
viva, gracias a Dios. ¿Y tú?
¿Todo bien? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Laura,
Laura, encantada Laura. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
20.
20. That's my all my Spanish. My Spanish is finished.
Español, sí.
¿Hablas inglés?
No,
Nada.
muy básico, muy poquitito.
Poquito. Sí, claro que sí. So, lo siento. No hablo español porque... Gracias.
Está bien. Dale, chao.
Chao. Salla belki tutar. Ne sallaması oğlum? Manyak mısın? Ne sallaması? Biliyoruz az çok. Bildiğim şeyi konu kız cevap veriyor. Hello? Miss, are you there? Brazil?
Yes.
Brazil, Português?
Yes.
Nada.
I don't speak.
No inglês?
No.
No pasa nada. Okay.
I'm speak English little.
You speak English? Okay. Çocuk oğlum dedim ki İngilizce bilmiyorum. Önemli değil dedim. Skipledim sanki şu an kötü şeyler yapıyorum amına koyayım. Ben de görüyorum, ben de anlayabiliyorum insanın görünüşüne kaç yaşında olduğunu. ...14. María.
¿Qué dijo?
Querido, no hable español, no hable español.
No habla español.
No hable español, un poquito. Por favor, no hable español, please. Un poquito, un poco más. Ananın götüne girsin bu. Hello?
Hi.
What's up?
What's up? What you doing?
Just chilling. What about you?
Same. It's 4 a.m. and I'm just eating
What are you
cereal.
eating?
Cereal.
Cereal? Oh. Enjoy your meal. How old are you?
I'm 22.
You are 22. We are the same age, by the way. We are same age.
Oh, yeah.
I'm 22 also.
But I don't look 22.
You look like 13. And I look like your dad. When did you burn?
What?
Which year? When did you burn?
2003.
2003. Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah. But here, let's say people don't believe that if I say that I'm 22.
Because you look like 13, that's why. And you look like young, like child. You have a child face.
Yeah,
and your voice is so teen.
I don't have makeup on, so that's why I look like this.
No. Because of your face style. also your voice. My opinion. My opinion. Don't judge me. My opinion. Where are
That's
you? Where are
okay.
you from?
I'm Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm from Turkey. Turkey.
You're from Turkey. Cool.
Yeah. Rise and burn. 100% Turkish man.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Wait. Is kebab kabu? I don't know what you
Kabak.
call it. Like,
Kabak.
kabak, yeah.
Kabak. Type of meal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, kabak. Kabak tatlısı or kabak. Kabak dessert or kabak
I don't remember. I think it's
like
meal
a meal.
because we have like a lot of Turkish
Did
food
you
here.
try to say kebab or kabak?
Kebab.
Kebab. Okay, kebab. Type of meat.
Mhm.
Very famous meat in Turkey. Turkish kebab.
Yeah. I mean, like, I've had several of Turkish food, but I don't remember the name. But
Döner,
most of it has.
sarma, döner, çiğ köfte.
Mm. I mean, when you say
Hünkar
it,
beğendi.
I cannot recognize it.
Yes.
Mhm.
So, how
But
is Malaysia?
yeah, it's cool. Right now it's like it's very cold.
Very cold.
Yeah,
What is the temperature?
it's so like now it's I think 26, 27. I mean for
Fahrenheit?
Malaysia, degree Celsius.
Degrees Celsius, 26 Celsius.
Yeah, I mean like for
This is
Malaysia,
that's
like
not
hot
cold. That's warm.
Mm, for Malaysian, that usually 30 plus degrees, it's cold. 26 is considered kind of cold.
In Turkey, probably it's like, let me check it. It is around like 7 degrees.
Mm.
Very cold. But I'm also half like you. You say cold, but you are wearing t-shirt. Why? AC, because of the AC, right? Your AC is AC, right?
But like it's like a cool, like very. How do I say that? I'm sorry, I'm not good at English, but
Same. I'm
we
still trying to practice. Yeah, likewise. Yeah.
same. Like we are a very hot country. Like literally is 33 degree, which is very hot. So when it's like 26 degree, something like that, it's considered cold. Like that's why we love wearing shirt. We embrace the coldness.
Like
We
when I born in very vacational spot in Turkey. It's called Antalya. It's also very hot city.
Mhm.
In summers, when summer comes, it's around like 40, 50 degrees, and it's
Yeah,
like a hell.
it's a
And I can
scorching.
understand you. I am walking full naked. Yes, because very
Yeah.
hot. Sometimes when I go out, so much nem. Nem
Mm.
nem
Which neck?
means like, how can I say it in English? Nem.
Sweat.
Wet.
Sweat.
No, wet. Temperature,
Wet.
the outside wet, you know?
Mm-hmm. I think I get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Measure.
Mm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So, nice to meet you. That was a
Nice
very
to
great talk. Enjoy your meal, and you should get some sleep because 4 a.m. is very late for you.
I'm actually studying. I'm on my study week,
Mm.
and I have law.
Law.
Law.
Okay, then. Ease on you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Okay. you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ne kadar dünya tatlısı bir insan. Hello? Sri Lanka mı?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so
You
sad
are
about
just
it.
you are just sick of the people in this app, right?
Yes.
Same, same.
I was happy before. Now I'm getting angry.
They are getting your confidence, right?
No,
They
not
are
like that.
always lame yourself, like they are always bad words. They are using bad words. Yeah.
Even that. But no, I want to talk. I thought I found someone to talk with, and then he skipped me.
Because maybe are you boring?
What?
Are you yapping so much? Are you boring? Are you talking about bad stuff? Like
No.
then
I was just
what is
I
the
don't know.
conversation topic? What is the conversation topic?
I don't know. I asked him. I can talk. I asked him where was he from.
And he skipped you.
Yes.
Oh, that's very.
Nothing much. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Which city?
Yes. Pune.
Say it again.
Pune.
Lumali.
Pune.
Pune.
Yeah.
Pune. Oh, okay. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey, Istanbul.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah. So, how
How
is
old are
it?
you?
Guess my age. Guess it.
21.
I'm
22.
22. Yeah, I'm 22. How old are you?
Yeah. I'm 19.
19. Okay, cool. How is India, by the way? It's very crowded country, so
Yeah, it's pretty crowded, but it's nice.
it's nice.
The city I stay in is nice.
Okay, that's cool. So,
Yeah.
are you trying to live another country, or in your plans you're gonna stay in India? What's your plan?
Maybe after my graduation, I
Yeah.
might go outside for my postgrad.
Where?
For my post graduation, I might go to the UK.
Ukraine.
No,
UK.
UK.
UK. Oh,
Yeah.
United Kingdom. Ah, okay, that's cool. That's
Yes.
very good country.
Yeah.
So,
How about you? What do you do?
I'm doing some social media thing, and also
That's nice.
doing crypto. And I got a spa. Do you know what spa means?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
massage spa.
I know what spa is.
Yeah. My dad is
Yeah.
working on, and sometimes went there. I just
That's
running there.
cool.
Yeah. So, are you going university, right?
Yeah, I do.
What's your department? Major. What's your
Computer
major?
science.
Computer science. Very surprising. Like everyone is
Yeah.
studying about computer in India. I don't know why.
Um,
And everyone trying to be a programmer or computer. I don't know.
yeah, that's true.
So, are you
Lots
doing
of
with your
competition. Yeah.
parents or by yourself?
I live by myself.
By yourself? Oh, okay.
Yeah. At university dorm.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I know, if you are rich in India, you are very rich. If you are poor, you are very poor, like deadly poor in India. As I know, in internet,
Yeah.
there's no between this.
No, there is in between.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
There are
That's
variety of people
in
here.
internet. India is so wild. You
That's
should
true.
talk
But not everything on the internet is true.
true.
not everything on the internet is true.
No, not everything. Okay. Of course, like
Yeah.
in internet, they are saying they are making foods by their food. So, of course, I'm not gonna believe it.
How's Turkey?
How's Turkey? Turkey is beautiful. Turkey is very good. I love Turkey.
Is it?
Yeah, very
I'd
beautiful.
love to visit Turkey once.
Very beautiful, very good weather, very good people, very good. Everything is good. I love.
Yeah. So you're not planning to go anywhere outside?
Maybe in the future, but not in these days. Maybe a couple of years ago. I don't know. If I'm boring in this place, so
Makes sense.
yes, like you know, if you like your plan.
Yeah. Like
Uh-huh.
my plan.
So, how many sisters? How many siblings you got?
I only have one sibling.
You are just
A
one
younger brother.
sibling? A young brother.
No. Yeah, I have a younger brother.
You are the older one.
I'm the older one.
Oh, okay. I'm the older one too. I'm the older one. I have a young sister. She is
Oh.
same age like you. She's 18.
Oh. My younger brother's 15.
15.
Yeah.
3 years between you and him. You got a 3 years, right?
Yeah.
We have 4. Oh, okay. So, happy nice year too. I need to go.
It was nice meeting you.
Thank you and
Yeah.
take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Goodbye. Rahim ağzını görüyoruz şu anda.
Nothing. What about you?
Same. I'm just chilling and trying to conversation people and also improve my English. And
Oh, really?
yes. What about
What
you?
do you do?
I am doing. I am working in cooperation as a supervisor.
At the age of 22?
Yes, I am 22 and I am a supervisor. Yes, and I am living
Wow.
in penthouse.
Do you realize how unbelievable
I'm
it is?
literally, yeah, literally. It's okay. It's okay. So what are you trying to say? Sercan.
Serkan?
Sercan. Yutacaksın sakızı yutacaksın. Sercan.
Sherzan.
Şircan değil. Şırdan o. Sercan.
Sercan.
S-A-R Sercan.
Sercan.
Sercan Şen. Ona nasıl? You told my surname. My surname is Şen. Sercan Şen.
Sercan.
Siktir et.
Sercan.
Search.
Search.
Ananın nikahında o söyle.
Let's
Call me Ali. Ali.
Okay. Ali.
Yes, Ali. Ali is my second name.
Okay. Ali,
Okay.
you are 22 and you are a supervisor?
Yes.
Impressive.
Yes. But I started when I was 15. That's why.
You're blowing my mind.
Yeah. I'm working so hard because in 2013 I bought half Bitcoin and that makes me here. You know?
Ooh, impressive. Nice.
Deli misin la? Yes. Impressive very.
Nice.
Sometimes.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you. My father also bought 10 Bitcoins. He's rich. I can find him. Like 3 years. He's run away. He's Miss.
So happy for you.
This is not
Where's your
happy. My
father?
dad is missing like 3 years. He took the all bitcoins and he went to Caribbean.
He left you?
He left us with my 5 brother.
I don't believe you.
Okay, let me explain. I'm a supervisor.
Mm-hmm.
His corporation. He left. All the corporation left me. So, yeah, that's why I'm young and supervisor. And also, he left me this house. Yeah.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
No, I'm not happy.
Why?
Because
You
my
got the
dad is
house, you got the
missing.
company. It doesn't matter.
That's my dad. I'll miss my dad.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. What about you? How old are you? What are you doing?
I'm 28.
Okay. So what should I say? Okay, keep going. What you doing for a living?
No, that's it. I'm 28.
You're
And
28
I'm
and
an
you're doing nothing.
architect.
Architect. Oh, really?
Government architect.
What architect?
Government?
Government architect. What does that mean?
I work for the government, Bhutan.
Okay, you are making government's buildings or
Yes, I'm making government buildings.
Sujam. Give me 1 minute, please. I need to drink water. Okay, I'm cool.
Wow.
Geçtim ben bunu. Bu
You have long hair?
What?
Do you have long hair?
Yes, I know. I used to have,
How much?
but I cut it off.
Why?
I love your song. What is the song called?
It's called Deho Khan. It's a Bengali song.
Bengali song. What is the name?
Yeah. Amar Deho Khan.
Amar Dehu Khan. Amar
Amar Deho Khan. Deho Khan. It means my body.
Amar my body.
It means my body. Yeah.
Bangladesh
It's
song,
Amar
right?
Bangladeshi song. Yeah. It's Amar Deho Khan.
How old are you? What's your name, by the way?
Oh, my name is Sujata, but my friends call me Suju.
Sujada. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Thank you so much. How about you? I mean, what's your name?
Sangshi Su.
Huh?
Sangshi Su.
Sun Chi Shu.
Sangshi
Do you have
Su.
Sun Shi
Sangshi Su.
Su?
Yes.
Sun Shi Chu.
Not Shu.
It's
Sangshi Su.
Shang Chi.
Sangshi Su.
Do you have any short name?
Shu.
Shu. Okay. It's easy for me. Shu. Okay.
Shu.
I'm okay with Shu. Okay.
Yeah, Shu is okay.
And you can, yeah, you can call me Shuju as well. My friends call me
Suju. Suju. Okay, Suju. Nice to meet you. How old are you,
Yeah,
Suju?
nice to meet you. Just guess. Guess my age.
25.
No.
26.
No.
25.
No.
26.
No.
20.
No.
35.
No.
30.
No.
How old are you?
I'm 47. You said everything were at 27. I just turned in 27 in December. How about you?
Yes.
Oh, okay, it's okay. Let me guess. Can you go a little bit back, please? 26. 26? Nope. Are you 26? 27? 28?
Metinlik Savaş ismi ekranındayım. No. Younger.
Okay. 24? 23? 25? 22? 21? 20? Underage?
19.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 19.
You don't seem like 19, honestly speaking.
Because I'm using testosterone.
Maybe because of your beard.
Yeah, I'm using testosterone on my blood, and that's face my little bit hairy, and my
Yeah,
voice
maybe
getting
that's
deeper,
why. That's what.
and my butt, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Maybe because of your beard.
Could be.
So, what did you for living? I mean, by profession.
Adult film industry. Why are you laughing?
Yeah. You are not still adult, or you are doing it adult film.
I'm an actor in.
Okay.
I am an actor in adult film industry.
Okay. So you,
Yeah.
I mean, you wanted to say that you are a porn star.
Yeah, you can say it. Yeah, I'm trying to be easy, but yeah, it's true. I am.
Okay. But it's really hard to believe because you're just 19.
Yeah, I'm 19. When I turn 18, I send the agency my photos and things. They accept me, and I am playing the films. You know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I'm not look like 19. That makes me.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You doesn't seems like 19. It's really hard to believe that you are only 19.
Yeah.
Still, I could not.
Yeah, for example, my last product was name is Hot Blondie on the Roof.
I don't know about those things.
Yeah, Hot Blondie on the roof, and she's stuck on the roof, and things getting nasty. Yeah.
Okay. So what I mean, what brings you in this app? I mean, why are you in here?
Like, I just come back to work, and I'm just trying to improve my English, making some.
I mean, why you need to improve your English? You're already a porn star.
Cause.
Then no need an English.
Cause this is the why. Before the thing, we are getting conversation. So.
Oh, okay.
We are not starting in the beginning. Yeah.
You need to know each other.
No, we are already knowing each other. Yeah.
I mean, before you start your job or shoot, you need to know each other. That's why you need to improve your English.
No, for example, her and me.
For better conversation.
Yeah, for better conversation.
That's what I'm
we
talking
already
about.
know each other. We are both of actor. We know each other. We are already know each other. So when film starts in the beginning, we are like, for example, I am trying the last product. I was a what's the name? Cargo man.
I already told you I don't have an idea about those things.
Cargo man.
I don't know.
Cargo man. Do you know cargo man? How can I explain it? Like, I am a delivery. I am the delivery. You know, delivery. Yeah, delivery. Delivery. Like when you're trying to order some in internet, some guy
You
pulling up.
you can text in Turkish. Let me translate with.
Siktir git.
When I click here.
Yo, what's up?
Started clicking.
Hi.
Hi, how we doing?
I'm good. And you?
I'm just chilling. Like, so
Yeah,
what about you? Where are you from? I never saw this flag.
Aruba.
Aruba. Is it in Caribbean? Yeah, of course. In Ireland, yeah, for sure. So, how old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18, but Dad said you're 22. Liar. You lied about that. Yo, what's up?
I'm good.
Is that
Where's
Central
Chris?
C new album?
Yeah.
Yeah, I listened to it. Okay, let me tell my favorite.
By the group type shit. That's some thick shit. I just thought you knew type shit. I just tricked out. I'm just usually do type shit.
Türkçeyi biliyor musunuz?
Tabii ki de biliyorum. Tabii ki de biliyorum. Tabii ki de. Sen Türkçe biliyor musun? Az çok. Birazcık. Ben de birazcık. Nerelisin?
Ну, это может закончить. Типа, откуда ты? Я знаю. Серьезно? Yeah. We're from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Oh, that's cool. I'm from Jordan. Yeah.
German?
Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Where is it? It's you say?
In Africa.
Yeah.
But I'm living in Turkey too. I'm still trying to learning Turkish.
Benim adım Zeynep.
Она тоже
Benim adım Elamutul Alim. You can say Alim. Benim adım Alim.
Такой сладкий.
Yeah. Siz Türkçe nasıl biliyor? Türkçeyi nereden biliyor?
Ben Türkiye как будет была в Турции?
Türkiye'deydin.
Buldum.
Türkiye buldun.
Yeah.
Allah Allah.
Türkiye'ye she like gone there, has been there.
Блин, почему у тебя такая камера, что ничего не передается?
She has been there for 2 weeks.
It's Antalya, Fethiye.
Antalya, Fethiye. Ben orada bulundum. Ben de orada bulundum.
Çok güzel.
Antalya çok güzel. Yemek çok güzel. Her şey çok güzel. Yemek, kebap. Çok güzel. Lahmacun, pide mükemmel.
Antalya better than Istanbul.
I live in 2 years in Antalya, 2 years in Istanbul.
Спроси, как он считает, где лучше. Do you know English?
I can speak English, yes.
Okay. What do you think? Which city is better in Turkey?
Between Istanbul or Antalya or all the cities? Oh, it depends.
No.
If you go to vacation, you should go Antalya. It's very good for hotels and seas. But like, I don't know. Your choice. In my opinion, Antalya is better than Istanbul. Not crowded. And also...
Что такое crowded?
Типа там крупное место.
Да.
Yeah.
Спроси меня Instagram. Блин, это какое.
Could you write your Instagram there, там?
Say it again.
Could you give us like your Instagram page?
I cannot.
You're
Because
married?
I don't have a Instagram.
You on YouTube. What do you have then?
MSN and also I used to have an Instagram, but I can download it if you want.
Я могу скачать, если ты хочешь. У меня был.
О, давай.
Давай, окей.
Видишь, если ты хочешь пообщаться с людьми, язык не преграда здесь.
Okay, type me on Instagram. Goodbye.
Написал. Вот.
Yeah.
Он уже скачал? Что?
Нет, типа у него было это.
Okay, type me on Instagram. Goodbye. Bye. Adil. Bu gece 31. Adil.